My head hurts.
Hey, don't hit your head. Cheongsam?
Cheongsam, right? Cheongsam.
You can't look.
Today is Saturday morning and it's raining outside. Oh. So today is Sunday morning and this is the last day of Tigercon. And I'm eating leftover from last night.
We had dinner last night with the other people and some VIP guests from Tigercon. Steak.
And mine is shrimp. I like shrimp more. Today I'm cosplaying Nozomi from Lab Life. I cosplayed this character before and I'm getting ready because my panel is at 12 o'clock and right now it's 11:21, so I need to get ready for that. Cheongsam, right? Cheongsam.
Cheongsam?
That sounds weird.
Cheongsam.
Cheongsam. Did you know the word before?
How do you pronounce it?
Cheongsam.
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 I don't think I've ever heard that word before. Is it a
Cheongsam.
dynasty? It's
It's
definitely not Cheongsam. It ends with an M. Cheongsam.
Oh, so this is the new word for you? Do you think people come to my panel, they won't know this word?
It's not a typical word, so no, I don't think people are going to recognize the word.
So let's see, what is Cheongsam? This is Cantonese.
A body-hugging one-piece Chinese dress for women, also known as qipao.
So it's the same word. Cheongsam and qipao is the same meaning. Because Cheongsam is Cantonese, qipao is Mandarin. Same thing, just the pronunciation is different, right?
I tell you what, these words just don't Romanize into the Roman alphabet very well.
Cheongsam.
Or in Southern, Cheongsam. That's Southern.
Oh.
Cheongsam.
Okay, so I will talk about cosplay in public, and if I have more time, I will talk about my cosplay story. And I already did on my videos on my channel, but maybe some people haven't watched that video yet, so I can talk about more. I think the lady we met yesterday, and I think she's new to me, and she said she will come to my panel today, and I think she wants to know those things, right? How do you feel my wig? I think it looks so weird, right?
Your wig is beautiful. It's beautiful.
It's actually not comfortable because the wig cap is very tight. It makes my head hurt. Not the wig, it's the wig cap. Yes, I need to lock my head. It's hurting. My head hurts. Do you know when you have something really tight on your head and it makes your head hurt? I need to.
Baby, don't hit your head.
Hurt.
Baby, I don't understand you sometimes. You're like, oh, I'm hurting right here. Let me bang on it with something.
It's sore.
You do it with your back. Oh, my back hurts. Let me hit it with a stick. Oh, my head hurts. Let me slap it with my knuckles. Are you trying to make it hurt worse so
No,
when you stop hitting yourself, then you're like,
sore.
oh, I don't hurt no more.
When you sore, you massage it, right? It's like massage.
Massage is not hitting.
But I can't massage it right now because of my wig. What time we are going downstairs? 11:45 is the right time.
You're planning on showing a movie, right?
Not showing a movie, that's the background.
Okay, so you've got some background videos and pictures of your cosplay in public?
Yes, so I'll play the videos in the background and then I will talk the story behind the video because those videos has no voiceover. Just the music and with me doing things, so maybe people don't know where is this I can talk about.
So I already arranged with Jackie. Hey Jackie, to get us a laptop.
This is my last panel, and after that panel, I'll come upstairs, go back to my room, and I need to change to the maid costume. We will go to the maid cafe.
Yay, maid cafe. We can try maid cafe.
My head hurts. We have 15 minutes to rest.
I should probably go down and move the reservation because I made a reservation at 1 o'clock for us to eat at the maid cafe. But if you want to change into your maid outfit, I should go change the reservation to 1:15.
1:15, yes, 1:15.
Are you going to wear your purple hair with the maid outfit?
No, it won't match.
Why not? Purple and pink goes together.
I will look like yesterday. Okay, let's go change. This is my costume for my cosplay panel.
We do have a camera going over here in the corner. So some of you that are sitting in the front row, the back of your heads will wind up on YouTube. You'll get a minor amount of fame. Okay?
And the giveaway is super adorable cups. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Is anybody new to me? Oh! Has anybody done cosplay in public before?
Yeah.
How do you feel about it? Anybody like recognize you when you cosplay in public, like come up to you and take pictures? So I have some videos that I did in the past. I went to different city and I did cosplay in public. This is the one I'm wearing today. Does anybody know what the character is? Yes, it's Yumi from Last Night. This is one of my favorite anime characters because I really love how they dance. Super adorable. And the location I did was in Washington, D.C. I went out with my husband, and we also went to the Joanne fabric. So I was wearing this Joanne fabric. Yeah, I used to make costumes.
I got a question. How much money did you spend?
So Joanne, it's more expensive. So I use coupons.
Yes.
I always use coupons when I go to Joanne.
Always.
Went to the Chinese supermarket. I was wearing this costume and everybody was looking at me. Have you guys cosplayed in the mall? I was doing a Neko. Yeah, this is when I was wearing the tails and yeah.
Have you ever gotten into trouble cosplaying in public? Have the management come over and ask you not to do it?
Golf course. Somebody say, you can't do this. Have you cosplayed in swimming pool? Not yet.
Not yet, but think about it.
This is Cinderella from the movie. It's a historic.
Williamsburg, Colonial Williamsburg.
That cosplay was very uncomfortable. The weather was very hot. Like I was sweating and the dress was very long and I stepped on my dress like a lot of times.
That's That was so cute.
It was a popular museum that was in the movie.
Yeah, Smithsonian.
Yeah, it says Smithsonian Wing.
Hi! We're staying. We're cosplaying staying character. I made this costume. This is from the Halloween Etude. This one was in New York City, the Midtown Comics. I made this costume as well, but the original costume was very long, like down to your ankle, but I made it the shorter version because I thought about I could wear the costume like in daily life, so I made it shorter. I really like to wear like anime inspired outfits in daily life. It just makes me feel like happy. And this is me again at Joanne buying these. I like her because a dance from her. I did this cosplay at my university. I was going to school and I was dressing up as an anime character. If you guys cosplay at school or at university, you did? Wow, how people react to your cosplay?
We're positive to it. I mean, a lot of people I know start cosplaying.
How many years have you been cosplaying?
I'm mad respectful now.
My husband takes very good pictures, and I think it's better than photographer. Everybody likes the one my husband takes. I will look at the picture like for a long time. Look at
Like
the
I
picture.
like use that as a reference.
Yeah, use as a reference, and I will go get the fabric that's similar to this costume. Some costumes that have in basic form. What I do is to make the basic dress like basic and to add more details. I have never took any sewing class. I did it all by myself. I just watched some videos and I have some like sewing book, just looking at the steps and just to try it. So for the first time was not great, but it's wearable. It gives me like,
Give me more coffee.
yeah, more confidence and make more and more. Yes, and I remember the first time I made the dress, like I didn't even plan with it.
It's a Walmart $60 sewing machine.
The cheapest sewing machine I find it, and because I was starting, so I want something that's safe.
I don't make costumes yet. I just fill my accessories like pouches and.
If you want to start, you can sew the skirt. Even though it's the first one might not be perfect, but you can actually put it on, so it'll give you more confidence to make more and more clothes. Easier to make clothes when you have the pattern. It's much easier. It's so hard when you create the pattern because you don't know exactly the measurement, and sometimes you just make mistakes. Sometimes too small, sometimes too big. Yeah, I tried to make clothes out of pattern from the store, but I find out the patterns most of the time is not my size.
Overly professional raffle tickets. Just one.
Is this how they do it in Japan?
This is how they do it in Belgium. You are 36. Okay, so now I need somebody that looks like they're trustworthy.
Don't trust me.
That's him. That's him.
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do, okay? You can't look. Just pull one, just pull one. 10, turn around. Shout it out, 10. 10.
Right on.
Thank you.
Okay, now don't go anywhere. You did such a good job on that one. We're mixing them up. That's it. He's got his eyes closed. 2. That is a 1. But you know what? Come by the booth and we'll give you an autographed picture. So, what time is the autograph?
2 to 4.
2 to 4.
Yeah, here. So it's going to be inside, right on the lobby.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for coming.
Okay, here we go.
Oh no.
Okay, this is.
Who's got hands?
Why raining from the sky?
I don't have hands.
Why objects falling from the sky?
Super cute emoji.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
No, I said not run, but you know.